DealShaker because we can bring them business. So with this, I would like to share with you a sales pitch that we have been using, and we find it very successful. So we would like to take this opportunity to share with you how do we do merchant recruitment sales pitch. And I hope that this will be helpful, this will be useful as part of our sharing with the whole community to build the one usability. So we'll have to keep our pitch very, very simple. We highlight the prospect challenge, present our solution, okay, so that they will not resist us. One of the most common point that we always hear is people asking when is the exchange open, unless the one can be encashed. Otherwise, merchant do not want to sell in DealShaker. We always tell these members that you are the one who asked this question and having this thinking. For a normal merchant, they will not ask when the one can be encashed into coins, into cash. Why is it so? Because as a businessman, we know that no clients equals to no business. So what do actually merchant wants? Merchant wants crowd. They want crowd to come to their shop. They want this crowd to become a paying customer, and they want cash flow. Because without cash flow, they can't run the business. So how to attract people to their store? They have to do advertisement. They have to pay for advertisement. But when you pay for advertisement, when you do not have the desired results, what do? You continue to do advertisement because you want more business. Some people will say, I do not do TV, I do not do radio and newspaper advertisements, okay? But you do give discount, 30%, 50%, buy one, get one free, 60%, 80%, buy one, get two free. Take a look at all these promotions. 70% for the shoes. That means every $100, you only pay $30, euros, yuan, whatever. Every 100, you only pay 30. If you see a 70% discount, will you walk into the shop and take a look? Many members will say, yes, of course, I will take a look. Okay, but will you surely buy the discount shoes? They say, maybe not. You know, I may even buy the full price shoes. It depends. But the 70% is a promotion. The 70% is an attraction. So every 100, you take back only $30, and you're willing to do so. But let me introduce to you a DealShaker platform, right? I have a proposal for you. I'll let your brand and your products advertise in a 3.5 million community. Because it's a pre-sale voucher. These people will have to buy a voucher first, and that's why it's a confirmed sale. You can sell at full price without discount. And all you need is to accept partial one VCP. Not necessarily must accept 100% one, just partial. Okay. Give you an example. We sell a wine. This is an advertisement. Buy two, get one free. $60 a bottle. So the discount is 34%. So I'll change the $60 into 60 euros for easy calculation into one. Buy two, get one free. Original price is 180. You pay 120 only. The buyer will pay 120. The seller will receive 120 and not 180. So the question I ask is, when can the seller encash the missing 60? I always ask the members, when can the merchant take back the 60? And members will tell me, no, I cannot take back because it's a discount. You cannot take it back. So think, at a $60 per bottle, you collect cash 100. The balance 80, you collect in 2.681. Total revenue is 180. You did not lose one bottle of wine from the buy two, get one free promotion. So what can you do with that 2.681? You can buy a rose duck on the DealShaker. You can see a rose duck costs only 0.93. Okay, and you can buy 3 rose duck. That means the 2.681, you can use it like money. It is better than you lost a bottle of wine in a buy two, get one free promotion. The selling price is 180. You collect 80 in once. You collect 100 in cash, and that is your cash flow that you can run your business. And the 2.681 you can use to buy other things from other merchants, or you can wait till the public exchange opens if you want to wait. It's compared to buy two get one free. You collect full 180 and not lose one bottle of wine and only collect 120. In China, there's a community of 1.2 million. 10% is 120,000. 5% is 12. 1%. Sorry, 1% is when we can do 0.01%, is already 120 new customer. I can bring it to you. Yeah. So, do you want this business? How many merchants say I do not want 120? If you want, I create a deal for you. I let your wine sell in China. Yeah. Look in the past, in the whole world. Last year, we have Singapore, we have Thailand. These are the people that come to Singapore Expo. Do you want these people to buy wines from you? Or do you want to go into an exhibition and let these people buy from you? This year, we have in Sydney, we have in Korea, in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, in Taipei, Taiwan, Taipei, we have in Baku, we have in different places, right? And in Mongolia and in Henan. Okay. So this is how we actually explain to our merchants. Example, this is a deal in Singapore. 100% one, pay for a $50 dining voucher. So you write very clearly all the terms and conditions. Each voucher is 50, minimum spending is 100, then you can use. If you need to spend more than 200, and then you can use 2 vouchers. Dine in only. Voucher cannot redeem for cash. Voucher cannot be used with other in-house promotion. You write down your terms and conditions very clearly. You can see they come up with 1,000 deals. They sold 513 already when I do this screenshot. Okay, so now let's take a look. The figures, 50 versus 100 minimum spending. So if you go for dining, you spend, you can see that it's in euros, $30 euro voucher, you must spend at least 60. So 60, you can eat for about 4 people. So what happens if they spend more than 60? Example, 90. They can only use 1 voucher. They have to give you 60 euros. And the 60 euros is a cash flow. Diners need to spend more than 120 before they can use 2 vouchers. Each table, if you have 4 diners, he have sold 513 coupons. That means we have brought him 2,052 new customers. He have sold 513 vouchers at 1.07 DCP. He collected 548.91 coins. And minimum spending is 30 euros. You can see 60 versus 30. So there's 530 customers paid. The minimum income revenue that he would make is already 15,390 euro dollars. Okay. So in this promotion, we bring you crowd, we bring you paying customer, we bring you cash flow, right? And also we bring you something called OneCoin, which is a digital money. Okay. So with this proposal, we have actually make it very useful in China, and it was featured. You can see these are all the deals in hotels. Okay, available in hotel. These are the deals, right? We have tour packages. All these are tour in China. We have diamond rings. We have watches. We have hospital, hair salon, shampoo, rice, tea, honey, general items available. Okay, so we are promoting the usability of one to make it a win-win situation between the merchants. We bring you customers, and for all the buyers who are one-lifers, our one can be used, and our platform will be very successful. And that is how a simple pitch that we use to promote the usability of one, right, in the China market, to bring in a lot of merchants into the DealShaker platform. I hope that this simple sales pitch will be useful as you listen, and you can apply it in your own region and bring in more merchants into your region. And when we visit you, we can use our one in your region, right? And thank you very much for listening to my short sharing on sales pitch. And right now, we will talk about 3K.